The Code of Conduct Tribunal has adjourned the proceedings of the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Walter Onnoghen, till Tuesday, January the 22nd, 2019. Justice Onnoghen is being tried for a 6-count charge bordering on alleged failure to declare his assets. Begins at the Code of Conduct Bureau. Our correspondent, Kayla Megwa, monitored the proceedings and gives us an update.
The resolution reached today at the Code of Conduct Tribunal here in Abuja is that the court will reconvene next week, Tuesday, within which time a new summons is supposed to be given to the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Mr. Walter Onnoghen, insisting that in a criminal case, according to the defense, that a summons must be given to the defendant personally. And in this case, the summons was given to his personal assistant, according to the prosecution, on the instruction of the Chief Justice of Nigeria. Well, the defense says this cannot happen. And in that case, the court decided that a new summons be given to the Chief Justice of Nigeria before Wednesday this week, and they would reconvene next week, Tuesday, that's the 22nd of January, to decide whether this court has the jurisdiction to see this particular matter. It was a massive show of support for the Chief Justice of Nigeria today at the Code of Conduct Tribunal. 43 senior advocates of Nigeria and 40 lawyers from the outer bar on the side of the defense, while on the side of the prosecution, they had 1 senior advocate of Nigeria and 4 other lawyers. By next week, Tuesday, we'll be looking at where the case is going and if this court has the jurisdiction to hear this matter. Kayla Megwa, Channels Television News.
Let's take a quick look at some of the charges against the CJN as contained in the charge sheet before the Code of Conduct Tribunal. There are 6 in all. The first charge is that between 2005 and December 2016, Justice Onnoghen, as a Supreme Court judge, failed to declare and submit a written declaration of all assets and liabilities within the prescribed period after being sworn in as the Justice of the Supreme Court. Count 2 alleged that the CJN failed to declare a domiciliary dollar account, which he maintained and operated with a commercial bank in Abuja since 2011. In Count 3, he is accused to have falsely declared his asset in Form CCB1 after he was sworn in as Justice of the Supreme Court by omitting to declare a domiciliary euro account maintained in a commercial bank. Count 4 also alleged that the CJN failed to declare his domiciliary pounds account operated and maintained with the same commercial bank in Abuja. In Count 5 is alleging that the CJN, after being sworn into office, omitted an eSaver Savings Naira account maintained with a commercial bank in Abuja. While Count 6 alleged that, as a public officer, the CJN, who is under a duty to declare his assets to the CCB on or about 14th December 2016, made a false declaration in his Form CCB1 after he was sworn in a Naira account which is being operated since 2011. All offences are said to contravene the provisions of Section 15, Subsection 2 of the Code of Conduct Bureau and Tribunal Act of 2004.